Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Once again, after a long pause. This time it'll be a little bit of a different one. I'll be doing a voiceover. So I really enjoy going to these stores and just checking out what everything looks like, where the stuff is. Just rolling around the store and seeing if there's any good deals and stuff like that. So here I needed to get some wax for my car since I had just washed it, and I was thinking about getting one of those spray on and just rinse or wipe off waxes. The first store didn't have it, so now onto the second store. And here we are. We got the Turtlewax things, and that's the one I was looking for. Let's grab that. There's so much other stuff there as well. And after that, let's go for a little bit of a sightseeing trip on this nice little bridge. The water is kind of murky, but it's really beautiful. I personally love the sound of running water and just seeing how the water streams. This place was so cool. Probably gonna go back there this winter. And now on to one of the bigger malls, Idea Park. I'm just checking out if there's any good deals or new shoes. I've been trying to get a pair of like good sneakers or running shoes for a while now. Men's section. I don't really buy any clothes at these sports stores. Now let's have a little bit of a snack. Some coffee, a chill atmosphere, some cafe ASMR sounds. And yeah, I'll have to change the window wipers on my car since the old ones were kind of busted. And then onto another city, there was this really beautiful fountain that played music, and the water was kind of equalized to the music. So enjoy the show. Get off the screen. Yeah, that was it. A short vlog this time, but I'll see you on the next one.